Hello everyone. In this video, I will answer and demonstrate one of the most frequently asked questions. As you know, when registering for the Hub AI Trader application, we need to open an account on supported exchanges using the Hub AI Trader referral link. One of the most common questions from you is, we already have an account on that exchange or exchanges. What should we do? First, let's talk about Bitget. If you have a previously opened account on Bitget, first open the Bitget page. Go to the profile section and click on settings at the bottom. Go to the dashboard section, click on My Profile, and as you can see, there is Delete Account at the bottom. Enter there and click Close Account to delete your account. Make sure you do not have a balance in your account. If you have money, transfer it before deleting the account. You can open a new account 24 hours after deleting your account. Of course, this is not valid in every country, so you can write to support first to check. 24 hours after your account is deleted, you can open it again, complete identity verification, and register with the Hub AI Trader referral code. If we have a BingX account, BingX offers an identity transfer opportunity. This means we can transfer the identity verification from our current account to another email address. To do this, go to the Profile section, enter Identity Verification, and click Identity Transfer. After entering our current account details and completing the verifications, we write the email address we want to move it to. In other words, we transfer our old identity verification to the new account registered with the referral link, and then we register to the application with our BingX UID. Finally, let me show you how to do it on the OKX exchange. OKX offers a feature that allows accounts that have not been used for a long time, that is, passive accounts, to move their referral status. If you have an account on OKX but haven't logged in or used it for a long time, click the link I put in the video description and on the screen. We fill out the form on the page that opens. Since my account is active, it gives a warning, but if your account is passive, it will not give you this warning. Write Who Buy in the invite code section and write to use Who Buy in the reason for joining section and confirm. It takes 1 day for applications to be reviewed. After your application is approved, you can register with your OKX UID and start using it immediately. That's all I wanted to share. I hope it was useful. If you have any other questions, you can contact us via our social media accounts and customer service. Happy trading!